Welcome to today's tutorial. This is Dee-wise channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to tie this 5 minutes easiest Gele style. For the measurement, we'll be dividing our Gele into equal size, that is 50-50. From the middle, make your pleat. Like I always say, you make as much pleat as you want. For this style, I made five to six pleats, straighten it on my lap before placing it on my head. After placing on your head, you secure the center, the middle with one hand so that you can adjust your pleat. Take note, it is very important to adjust your pleat because that's what distinguishes you from a professional and a beginner. So take your time, rearrange your pleat if you have to. Good. After rearranging, then I will gather the rest of the fabric and make a knot at the back. I made a knot at the back. However, if you want to tie, oh sorry, that's not a knot. I only swap. I didn't make a knot. I only swap. I only exchange the hands. So if you feel comfortable tying, you go ahead and tie before shifting your Gele to one side. So after shifting, then you get both hands and twist your Gele, as you can see, and make sure it's not too tight, neither too loose. So you twist until you get to the end of the Gele. You twist. As you can see, after twisting, then you just lift it up and place it across your head. Place it across your head, and at the tip, can you see how I made the end just one piece? Then you fold it, you tuck it in. Just tuck it in. Make sure it's very secure. And that's it, guys. This Gele is very simple and easy to tie. So easy to tie. And we're done. Our Gele is ready to go party. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. If you have any question, go ahead and drop in the comment section. And if you have any request, any Gele style that you want me to recreate, go ahead to make your request on the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.